This video quickly puts you through on how to add Google Authenticator in your Gmail account. It's a kind of multi-factor authentication. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to install Google Authenticator on your app, okay, on your phone, sorry. So here I'm using an Android in this case. So I will tap on Play Store. As the Play Store opens, tap on search. Then search for Google Authenticator. Look at Google Authenticator here, created by Google LLC. So that's what you should target. So tap on install. So it is done installing in this case. Let's get to our Gmail to start another process from there. Okay. I will swipe up and get to my Gmail application. You can see that there. I will tap on it. Once your Gmail opens, tap on your profile icon. So in this case, my own profile icon is C, which is at the top right. So I'll tap on that. On tapping on that, if you have some other Google accounts, you will see them listed here. I have some here, but they are hidden for security reason in this case. So the next step is to tap on manage your Google account. Before we move further, please, if your Gmail application is not updated, please update it before you start this process so that you will have this option activated on it. So on this page, scroll down a little until you get to this security and sign in. Tap on that. Once on this page, you will see two-step verification. Okay, you can see it's turned off here, so tap on it. All right, so now we are taken to this two-step verification page. So scroll down. You can see Authenticator is one of the options. So tap that. So tap on Set up Authenticator. Here it says, in Google Authenticator app, tap the plus sign, choose Scan a QR code. And which QR code is going to be scanned is this one here. So what this means is that you need to get a different phone and start this process until you get here. So once you get here, then get to the authenticator that is installed on this Android and scan the QR code. Or alternatively, if you have a PC, use it to log into your Gmail account, get to this step, and then use the authenticator installed on this phone to scan it. So I'm going to go through the routes of PC. So I have a computer right now on my face. So let's get to it to see how we are going to complete this process. I am on my PC right now. So the next step is launch a web browser and sign into the Gmail account. So I'll use Edge here. I'll visit gmail.com and log in. So here I am on my inbox. Click on this, the profile icon. Select manage your Google account. Click on sign security and sign in. This two-step verification, I will click on that. Click on add authenticator app. Now click on setup authenticator. Now you can see the instruction. I have already walked you through on this on the phone. So we have read this. And now let me now get to my Android and scan this that is on the screen. So here am I on the Android. So I will open my Authenticator app which we installed. So look at it here. I will tap on it. Then I will tap on the plus sign, which was the instruction. Then I will select scan a QR code. I'll position it to the one on my PC. After the scanning, the next step is to tap on Next. Then enter the QR code that will appear on your Google Authenticator, the QR code. 124. Okay. It keeps changing, so just capture the one you can capture. All right. And then you're good. 136. Then click on Verify. And with this, Authenticator app has been set up. Since this is enabled, it's saying to sign in with Authenticator app, turn on two-step verification. What it means is that anytime you want to sign in on a new
in a new device and you want the Authenticator app to take charge, you need to insert some code from Authenticator app. You should click on turn on. But I don't want to do it now. But if that is your interest, click on turn on.
If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. This video here puts you through on how to complete more tasks in Gmail. Just check it out. Thank you and see you some other time.